Yosemite National Park. Steep granite, tall waterfalls, traffic jams in the valley, and a severed hand found in a scenic meadow? In 1983, a family was exploring Summit Meadow off Glacier Road when one of the children discovered a severed hand and forearm. In spite of consistent searches from investigators, no other body parts were found, and authorities were unable to identify the victim or make progress on the case. In 1988, a skull was found across the street from the site, but the Park Service still couldn't attach a name to the victim. It wasn't until 2022 that the Park Service, using a DNA profile from the remains, named the victim Patricia Hicks, a woman linked to a local cult leader who allegedly used LSD to weaken and disorient victims. The man had been convicted of assaulting women in the 1980s, but disappeared before he was incarcerated. According to a 2022 report by the San Francisco Gate and a 2022 episode of the ABC News show Wild Crime, investigators think the cult connection was incidental and that Hicks was actually killed by the notorious serial murderer Henry Lee Lucas, who confessed to hundreds of slayings across the nation. Lucas, at the time of his arrest, revealed details about the Summit Meadow crime scene that had not been released in the media. Still, the details that Lucas gave regarding the incident and victim were deemed circumstantial, so the murder remains unsolved. Lucas died in prison in 2001, and the question of who was behind the murder of Patricia Hicks may never be solved. If you enjoyed this video and want a deeper dive, make sure to tap that like button and leave a comment.